Hey guys, what's up? This is Saksham from Tech Shenanigans, and today I'm gonna show you how you can activate Dolby Surround Sound in your Windows PC. First things first, what is Dolby Surround Sound or Dolby Atmos or Dolby XS? Dolby is one of the most advanced audio compression technologies which make the sound from your device very crisp and immersive. So let's start with it. First, what you have to do is go to Microsoft Store in your PC and search for Dolby Access in it. The thing is, for experiencing the best quality of Dolby Surround Sound, you need audio and video recorded from the supported devices. But in Windows 10, you can use Dolby Access, which can create a near similar experience for your headphones. Click on Get and the software or app will start to download. Once the app has finished downloading, click on Launch and a similar interface will appear. These videos are specially shot on Dolby Atmos supported hardware, which can take full advantage of the output devices and can use Dolby surround sound efficiently. We will definitely try these videos, but first we have to enable Dolby Atmos, Dolby Access. For that, go to Settings. The next step is to search sound in the taskbar and go to sound settings. Next, click on sound control panel on the right side. Here is the list of all your audio output devices connected to the PC. The audio devices with the green tick mark are the ones which are currently connected and we have to configure it for them. Select your headphone from the list and double click on it. After the is open, click on Spatial Sound and select Dolby Access from here. Click Apply and then OK. Now close these two windows and go back to Dolby Access. You can see that the settings are now available. There are four preset modes: game mode, movie mode, music mode and voice mode. Then there are three custom mode in which you can set the equalizer according to your need. Now these are all the preset videos in which Dolby Surround Sound is used. You can click on any video and check if it works or not. I like the Dolby demo content more because it is specially created for the Dolby Atmos sound.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object.
So if you have followed this procedure completely, it will work in your PC too. The only drawback for this software is that it is a trial version of only 5 days. For more use, you have to buy it. So if you like the video, hit like and a subscribe to this channel will be massively appreciated.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night.